I got 4 cans of Coke, bar of chocolate, a pen, which I'm so excited to use, this beautiful Good Luck natural gemstone, protect mind, body and spirit, and I've got that on my wrist. Just lovely. And then I have 2 cards. Sorry to see you leave. Good luck finding colleagues as fun as us. And everyone signed it. And then my funny little card. I say funny because there's a story behind this one. It's all ripped to the sides and things. I'm going to pull it out. Goodbye, good luck, we'll miss you. My friend has bunnies. And her bunnies got into the card. It was on the table and one of them jumped up. So she got a lot of baby bunnies. So I thought that was funny. And that is my lovely goodbye to my waitress job. And it's sad to go, but also I'm looking forward to the next adventure. So around the same time, 3 years ago, was my last day at Burger King. And that is how I ended up in the job I was in now. And now the one I'm leaving. Making a blanket, handmade from 1940s style. And then I'm just knitting a North square. It's really great beginner knitting to do. And I think my blanket's going very well. This wool, these knit needles are all from the charity shop, £1 each. If you want an inexpensive hobby, I do recommend this one. So this one, as you can say, is thick and fluffy. Can't wait to add this into the squares already made.